Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center, model VF2YT, serial number 1108-503. Machine was built in 2013, installed in 2014. It's got extended Y travel, that's what the YT stands for. It's a 30-inch X, 20Y, 20Z. 4 to 24-inch spindle to nose. You have an 8,000 RPM spindle. You have a 20 ATC. You have programmable coolant. You're hearing the X go. There's your Y, and you saw your Z before, but we'll do it again. There's your Y again. There's Z. All axes are quiet. We're going to close the doors so we can run the spindle. We'll show you through the side. Simulating a tool change. $3,500 RPM. Again, spindle goes up to 8. 6,500 RPM. And there you go. Show them the cabinet. Electrical cabinet's nice and clean. And lastly, the coolant. And your original shipping bracket. All right, thank you for watching our video.